guys, another day here in Alanya, Turkey. Today, we're waiting for our transport to go in Sappadere.
We're waiting for our transport.
Yeah, so guys, the excursion for today is in Sappadere. And it's like a sightseeing there with waterfalls, adventure, things like that. So we will gonna update you later guys kung ano yung mga ganap doon. So yes guys, while waiting for our transport, let me show you our hotel. Here, this is our hotel. Okay guys, so we are now in the jeep.
A few moments later.
So yes guys, we are now in the bus because first we took the jeep. It's for safari but they move us here in the bus where we go. Now we're on the way to Sappadere. How's the experience in the jeep?
Shocking.
So yes mga Szechuan, enjoy the vlog, and of course we're now heading to our destination and we see you there, and let's enjoy the view. Let's enjoy the travel of our Turkey vlog with my jowa. So ayan mga Szechuan, the real adventures begin. OMG, this adventure guys is really fun. So sumakay nga tayo mga Szechuan sa sasakyan na to habang papunta tayo sa ating first destination. At of course, we enjoy the view of Turkey, Alanya. My God, ang daming mga saging sa paligid mga Szechuan. A lot of bananas. So, nakikita nyo naman, di ba? So, parang na ako pupuntang mamitas ng saging dito sa Alanya, Turkey. At syempre, kasama pa rin ang ating mga ibang turista. Dito lang yan sa Alanya, Turkey. So, samahan nyo kami mga Szechuan dito sa ating adventure.
A few moments later.
So yes guys, we stop a bit here and they said we're gonna see something here and swim. So today is very nice weather and a lot of people exciting on the bus because we have like a water fight.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good.
But you are still sleeping. I wanna hear your voice. Good morning.
Good morning.
So yes guys, we are now here in Sappadere and we're going to try to swim.
Look at the bridge. It's really thin.
Yeah.
Где там переодеть обувь? Кайфово.
So guys, we're trying the gosleme for this one. And they're making it here. With Nutella. Okay, you guys have these already. Yeah.
Fuck, it's slippery.
Okay guys, so we're done with the excursion and now we are in the bus. So hot. So yes mga Szechuan, I hope you enjoyed our first stop in the famous bridge here in Alanya. That is one of the destination here in Alanya mga Sesh. And of course guys, if ever you want to experience this excursion, actually you can experience here the throwing of water every time you pass by your colleagues. And now we're heading on our next destination. We're going to Sapadere. So yes guys, we arrived now here in Sappadere Waterfalls, Alanya, Turkey. As you can see guys, it's so beautiful here. My god, you can see around you this beautiful mountain like a rocky. And of course, these waterfalls. It's very cold guys, oh my god. Okay guys, a lot of people.
Now it's Nisha's turn.
How's the water?
A few moments later.
So yes guys, we are now here waiting for our lunch maybe.
Okay.
Another stop guys.
Evet. Dear guest, how are you?
Good. Good. Good.
Okay guys, so we need to take our ticket to go to the cave.
Yes, price ticket is here.
So okay guys, we already bought our ticket and now we go to the cave. Yeah, Magarasi Cave. Wow. Ay, wow, ang ganda. Diyos ko, Lord, mga sesyo, ang ganda. Wait. Guys, we are now go to the restaurant to get our free lunch. Be? So yan mga session, akala ko ito na yung restaurant pero hindi pa pala. Okay mga sis, I hope you enjoyed our Sappadere Waterfalls excursion here in Alanya. Oh my god. And now, we are heading on our way to take our free lunch. And don't you believe guys that this excursion that we booked in trip.com I think is just around 12 euro per person because that time we have a promotional code, or I mean we got a discount of at least like maybe 80 to 70%. Oh my god, napakamura ng excursion na to mga sesh at ang dami na naming nagawa. O diba? So tara, samahan nyo mga seshwang na mag-lunch dito sa ating Alanya Turkey adventure. So okay guys, we arrived here in the restaurant where we're gonna eat. It's like more than 30 minutes. Okay. Okay guys, this is our place to eat. You ask them?
I don't know what you're cooking, but I put my feet to bed.
So yes guys, we are now finally here to our lunch. So let's try to put our feet in here. Oh my god. So nice. It's so cold. Ang lamig mga sen. Ha? Okay guys, it's time to eat. So this other food guys. So yes guys, we took our food already. This is it. And then we go back there and let's eat. Okay guys, so let's try their food. I like it. It's so tasty. How's your food?
Go.
We also get chicken, guys. I got 2 pieces. So this one.
A few moments later.
So yes mga Szechuan, merong show dito ngayon at tarawan ito sa ating balcony. So ayan mga Szechuan, merong pa show ang hotel. There's a show in this hotel and this like a traditional Turkish dance that the hotel offers to all their guests in the evening. Actually, not every night, but there are some evenings that the hotels having a show. And even last time guys, in the other hotels, we saw a different kind of Turkish dance in the hotel when we passed by during our walking tour in the evening. So, yes guys, another adventure today. First, good morning. We are here in the cable car. Ayan. So let's try. It's just few minutes walk to from our hotel. So they have a very nice cable car.
Fast track.
Huh?
Don't take the fast.
So yes guys, we are here in the counter and ticket counter to buy our tickets to cable car. Guys, so we have now our ticket. This is cost 345 lira round trip.
Yeah.
I think in euro this is 9 point something. Thank you. Okay guys, so we are inside and let's wait for our cable car.
Luckily we met these people yesterday that tell
Okay guys, so we are now in the cable car. Yeah, we took the normal lane. So it's cheaper because if you take the fast track guys, it's 25 euro and there's no fast track here. Okay, yes guys, we are now on the top of the... So yes guys, this is the surrounding. This is the view that you can see here. Yeah. So if you want to take a tour guys, actually you can find in online like 800 lira like that, but you can do it by yourself. So just come there and buy the round trip ticket for 345 lira or 9 euro. Because online is even expensive.
look, there's the harbor.
Yeah. Plus guys, piece of advice, I think it's better if you could just take the normal one than the fast track because anyway, it's only one queue.
I think there's the center.
Yeah. So this is the view guys on the top.
I mean the also the castle there.
Yeah. Okay guys, so now we are on the top of the Alanya Tower. So as you can see the surroundings here. Plus guys, you know, when you are on the top of this village, you can see a lot of decorations here. They're putting something in the trees. And also you can hear the crickets. The sounds of the crickets guys is everywhere. So I find it really peaceful here, but the only thing that you can hear is the sound of the crickets and also people going around like that. Here, guys, you can find a lot of souvenirs. So, as you know, Sesh, if ever you want to buy some souvenirs here, a lot here. And I find it reasonable price. But of course, if you want a bit cheaper price, you can go to the center of Alanya. Guys, this is like the view of the village here. And you can see this mosque in this neighborhood. Plus, inside here, the people also are living in this area. So there's a lot of residents here, guys. Plus, it's a very touristic place. So, I mean, this is like a tourist area. So this guys, this is like near the mosque, and you can see here inside as you go through a lot of souvenirs here, and there are so many people buying here. But when we were here, it's so silent. It's like so quiet. Like there's not much people coming in. But I see it's really interesting. So guys, now let's go ahead on top of Alanya Castle, wherein we can see the castle here on the top view. So this is like the outside view, guys. As you can see, here is it's like the fence of the towel.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of home. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every
Okay guys, so we finished in the castle. It's too hot and now we're going to try their fresh fruits. I have like orange juice and yours has a mix of pomegranate. So it's a really a freshly squeezed juice, guys. For how much be? 100 lira. Yeah.
I think about. When it all breaks down, I'll wait for you right here. And I swear that we got nothing to fear. It's a miracle that you and I are finally here. I
So yes mga Szechuan, I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa ating pa-Turkey vlog. At kaya naman, maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. At dahil dyan, ito na po ang ating mga photos. So here our photos mga Szechuan during our trip here in Alanya, Turkey. And thank you very much pa rin sa inyong panonood. Thank you so much for watching our vlogs. And of course, mga sis, if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please click subscribe button. And of course, don't forget to click the notification bell para naman updated ka tuwing meron tayong upload. And thank you so much for watching mga Szechuan. See you again next time. Bye!